Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation. We are going to present research-based theory in marketing written by Irina, Stephen and Robert. Presented by me, Muhammad Farid Hussain Talukdar and Shaikh Bal Hussain. First of all, we are going to present research objective. This paper has addressed a couple of things. First one, evaluating the use of RBT, which means research-based theory, across different marketing domains. Addressing the characteristics of RBT, that means what kind of features RBT does have. Evaluating the use of RBT at the exchange level of analysis. At the last, evaluating the connection of RBT to other theories in different disciplines. The theoretical foundation, this paper relies on three theoretical foundation. First one, preference. This paper preferred using resource-based theory instead of resource-based view because most of the scholars in this field use this terminology, which is resource-based theory, not resource-based view. The second foundation is logics. This paper has two broad logic. One is SCA, which means sustained competitive advantage. Another one is BRIO. SCA is the company assets or attribute or ability that are so difficult to mimic or copy, and these attribute or resource can provide excellence competitive positions to have the competitive advantage over the competitors in the market. The second logic is so interesting is a BRIO. BRIO can be translated as valuable, rare, imperfect, imitable, and organization, which means the firm does have valuable resources. And some valuable resources are so rare and controlled by very few organizations that can be so difficult to get mimicked or duplicated by rivals in the market. And these valuable resources, those are so rare and so difficult to get mimicked, should be so organized, organized by the organization to have the more benefit in the market where the company does work. The third foundation is perspective. This paper addressed four broad perspectives. First one, three marketing domain. The first domain is strategy, second one international marketing, and last one innovation. Strategy is the broad game plan of market for achieving sustainable competitive advantages. The second domain is international marketing. How a firm goes to international market to work to operate the marketing activities. And last domain is innovation. How that these all things can be done very innovative way. The second perspective is market-based resource. Market-based resource can be intangible, like the knowledge or creativity of employees, so that the other competitors or rival will face difficulties to copy or mimic. And the third one, extending RBT to marketing exchange. The fourth one, connecting RBT to related theories. The theories can be resource advantage theory, agency theory, and transaction cost theory. The next topic is methodology. This paper doesn't have any specific methodology, but it depends on the construct which is developed by existing literature. The rest of the part will be continued by Shaikh Bal Hussain. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is Shah Iqbal Hussain with my part, Dr. Farid. and I am going to present the results of this study. Basically, this study has illustrated four perspectives that has already described by Farid, and this study shows the unique insights of each perspectives and also provided important research directions. This, this study defended the criticism. This study, RBT is a tautological term by some scholars, but this study has refuted that claim by the proper and clear explanations. The role of RBT on firms' entrance to the international market is explored. These things and these issues has been considered that the doing business with the foreign partners, entering foreign markets or entering in the new product markets appear into these market innovation domains, international marketing domains, and these The next is the result is this study applies a multi-theoretical views, while RBT is used to explore the efficacy of resource performance linkages, which is beneficial for marketing research. This study also discussed contemporary definitions of relevant terms and assumptions, which makes to understand more in depth of this analysis. The RBT in marketing innovation demonstrates the relative effects of market-based research performance. And according to this analysis, the authors appreciably offer some recommendations for the further study, which are empirical integration of SCA into models. This needs to evaluate the performance. And this study it suggests to focus on the concept when exchange level resources interact with firm level resources. Moreover, this study is uh, going to offer and recommended to measure the appropriate performance, which need to test the effect of resources on performance and also cost of developing and maintaining resources as well as the benefits to provide a more accurate view of the net return. And according to this analysis, the feedback and critics, the previous study explained the RBT through VRIN, valuable, rare, immutable, and non-substitutable. But the Barney and Hursterley 2012 explained the resource-based theory by VRIO as logic. That is why it's required to more clarity about using VRIO instead of VRIN. Moreover, RBT is tautological and untestable according to Prime and Butler 2001b, but Kozlenkova 2014 says that it is not tautological, it is testable. So it requires the empirical result to refute the previous claim. And the insights and suggestions of this paper can greatly contribute to explore more about the resource-based theory. The ends are this article provides a comprehensive review of extended research-based theory and suggests theoretical extensions or adaptations for applying RBT to marketing, and also anticipates that RBT will keep evolving and changing, leading to increased explanatory power and generalizability. And that's all our presentation sessions. Thank you very much, everyone. Thanks.